Welcome back, guys. And most of us have faced at any moment that his mobile touch screen is not working properly. It is not responding. Display is not responding while touching. It is very annoying when you find that your phone is touch screen is not working. You touch, tap or swipe the screen, but the phone is not responding at all. So due to that, you cannot even unlock your phone to access the data inside. That is very irritating. That might be very irritating. Means some of you might try to fix a screen by just pressing the power button or just tapping, turn off, restart. This can happen to any mobile, that is LG, Samsung, Y. So I'm going to tell you first what are the causes of this and how to solve it. I will tell you 7-8 fixes you should try before going to the repair shop or seeking professional help. So coming to the first, what causes of unresponsive touch screen in Android phone? So when your phone is not working, when you are touching it, then that might be a reason of any software issue. One or few apps are getting crashed. At that time your touch is not working. Your device CPU system has hanged, and that makes everything stuck and unresponsive. If you are using any memory card, or maybe your SIM card has been defected or not inserted properly, that may lead to the unresponsive touch screen. Or you are facing that problem after any update, or this screen protector or cover maybe not properly installed. Due to that, you can face that touch screen unresponsive problem. So that may be a result of display sensors being sensitive or connectors are loose. Sometimes you have just dropped your mobile, and after that, because of that, the connection may lose. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel and you find this video useful, please do like to subscribe this channel and share with your friends. Very first thing, if you are facing this type of unresponsive touch screen problem, just restart your mobile. How? First I will remove the cover. So cover has been removed, and just press the power button for some time. After that, here power off will come. Just touch here and tap it once, and then if it switches off completely, just start your phone by this power button. After that, if you are finding that your touch screen is working, that is very good. But if the problem is still there, then the second thing, if you have the phone in which you can remove the battery, just remove the battery from your phone, wait for 1 or 2 minutes, and after that install the battery and switch on your mobile by power button. And after that, please observe that your touch screen is working or not. If it is working, that is very good, and if it is not working, then force restart your phone. How will you force restart your phone? I will try in the end. I will show you in the end. So if after force restarting your phone is not working, then what will you do? Just put your phone into the safe mode. How will you put your phone into the safe mode? Please Google on the please Google it, how to force restart according to your model. This is Samsung, and in this, if you are just pressing this power off button, not this, for some time like that, and then if you are keeping it pressed power off, the safe mode will come. Just tap here and this the phone will restart into the safe mode. It will take time. Please, I will come back when it will start. It is starting. So swipe to unlock. Just put your pattern here. See here, safe mode has been written. If your phone screen is working after booting your phone into safe mode, then please identify those apps which you have installed recently, because this time only manufacturer apps are there. Third party apps will not work in safe mode, and you can see this gray signal, they are inhibited. So just rule out that app, uninstall it, and then try to switch on your phone in normal mode. How will you switch on your phone into normal mode? Just swipe it down, tap it here, then turn off. Now this phone will be turned on into the normal mode. After getting into the normal mode, just uninstall that app you have installed in the recently and you are facing problem, and then your phone touch might work. If it is not working after this, then what will you do? Just take out your SIM cards and memory card. After that, switch on your phone, see your touch screen is responding or not. If it is responding, that is very good, and if it is not responding, then please remove this screen protector. Okay, back cover, screen protector remove, and after that see your touch screen is working or not. If it is working, then it is okay. After removing the screen protector, just clean your screen by some Colin or any cleaning agent. So after that it is working, then good. Otherwise, just factory reset your phone. How will you do factory reset? First I will tell you how will you do fast hard reset, forced restart, and after that I will tell you how to factory reset your phone. So for hard reset your phone means force restart your phone. Just turn off your phone, turn off, it will go off, and when it is completely off, just press this power on button and plus button simultaneously, and then the phone will boot. It is booting, you can see, and it will go into the recovery mode. Yes, it has gone to recovery mode, and from this volume plus and minus key you can navigate, and for selection just press power button. So I will tell you, if you do reboot system now, the first one, then it will hard reset your mobile, means force restart your mobile, and your mobile will reboot and turn on. After that, if it is working, then it is okay. Otherwise, be cautious. If you have backup of all data and you are able to reload the data by yourself only, then only factory reset your phone. How will you factory reset? Just come down, and here your phone will reset. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. That's all.